Hi guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I make roasted fish. This is going to be a different way of making fish. Like this method is so good. Just stay tuned. So right now I'm putting my spices together. These are the green spices I'll be making for the fish. So I have my ginger, my garlic, my parsley, my green peppers, and a little bit of red pepper. Then I have my celery stick. I have my leeks. I have my jangsa. And I also have this seed, which is called the granite seed. That's how we call it from where I come from. You have to peel it and you put the little nut which is inside. So I'll also be using my bobolo and miando for this as the food for the fish. So now I'm just about to blend in my spices, and I'll be going in with my white pepper. This is my white pepper. Then this is my curry powder, just a little bit. Then this is my black peppers. Then I'll also be adding my powdered garlic. This is the powdered garlic I've just added. So I'm also adding my thyme. So I'll just be blending all of that together. So I'll be going straight to blending. Right now I blended my spices already and I'm about to cook. So I'm just pouring it into the pot. Then I'll just let it cook for about 20 minutes. Then now I'm going in for the red pepper. This is like the spicy pepper for the fish. So I just have my red onion, I have some red bell peppers, and I have my peppers, my hot peppers. It's been blended, so I'm just pouring that into the pot and I'll be letting it boil for about 15 minutes. I'll just cover the pot, then I let it boil. So now I'm back to my green spices. This is like the greens. So now it's been boiling for about 20 minutes. So I'm just going in with my country onion. This is my country onion. This is how we call it from where I come from. Then I'm just adding my Maggi seasoning, and I'll also be going in with my salt. I'm just putting a little quantity of salt since the salt is not much. So I'll just give that a stir so everything can mix properly together. Then I will let it boil for another 10 minutes. Then we'll come back to see how it is. So I'm just going to cover the pot and I let it boil for about 10 more minutes. So right now my greens have been boiling for about 10 minutes and I'm just checking to see how I'm giving it a stir. Then I'll be going in to add my oil. I'll be using the canola oil for this. So I'll just be adding not too much, but the quantity I think it's okay for that because I don't want it to be too oily. So I'm just going in with a little more oil, just a little more oil. Then I'll just keep giving it a stir. So I'm just going to stir that. So right now my oil is perfect. I won't be adding in any oil because once it's boiled, it's going, you really see the oil. So now my spices have been boiling for another 10 minutes. So you can see my sauce is ready. So I'm just going to set that aside. Then I go to my red peppers. So this is the red hot pepper. I'm just giving it a stir. It's been boiling for 15 minutes right now. So I'm just going to add my Maggi seasoning for this. And I'll also be adding in some salt. Just a little bit of salt as well. And I'll be giving it a proper stir. So I'm just going to stir everything together so it can properly mix. Then I'm adding my oil, my canola oil. Still, I'll just be putting a little bit of oil, not too much, not too less. So I'll just give that a stir. Then I'll just let the oil and the Maggi seasoning and salt which I added cook for like 10 minutes, so that everything can marinate properly in there. So I'll just let this cook for 10 more minutes. So it's been cooking for 10 minutes right now, and my pepper is ready. So I will just be setting the pepper aside. Then I'll be going in to do my fish. So for this fish, I put just salt. You know, for the other fish, we will have to put all the spices, but I put just salt in this fish and I broil it for 500 degrees Celsius. And here is my spice. This is the final result of my pepper and my grains. So this is the fish. So this fish, I put only salt in my fish and the fish was so good. So this is my meander. I boiled some meander and bobolo. That's what I'll be using to eat the fish with. So here is my serving. You can see my fish, my meander, and my spice. This is my green spice, and I'll be putting in the hot pepper. Guys, I won't lie to you, this fish was really nice because I put just salt in this fish. Then I let it dry, like I let all the oil come out from the fish, and the fish was so good. I've always been making the other method of fish where I have to blend my spices and I marinate with the fish. So I said no, this one I'm just going to put only salt in the fish since I already have my blended spice and pepper on the side. So I will just be putting only salt, and guys, the result was amazing. The fish was so yummy. It was dry and really yummy. So make sure to test this recipe, and if you like it, don't forget to leave a comment. So now I'm just digging in. So this whole combo, it's the bomb. It's so yummy. So if you watch up to this point, I say a very big thank you. And as you can see, this is the oil that drained from the fish while it was broiling.